In programming Arduino, we can simulate the results of the program using the Proteus program. Let's start with a simple program first, the Blink program, with the steps as follows. Open the Proteus program. Then place the device and select the Arduino board that we want. Here we will choose board Arduino Uno, then place the LED and connect the wire at pin 13 to ground, follow the clip. Next, open the Arduino IDE program, go to Menu File, go to Examples, select 01.Basics, select Blink. We will see the Blink program open. We save it and keep it in the folder where we want to keep it. Next, let us compile the program Blink and verify. If the program has no problems, go to Menu Sketch, select Export Compiled Binary, then go back to Proteus, click on the board, it will bring up the Edit Component window, go to Program File, go to the folder where the Blink program is stored and select the hex file program. Proteus program will use this hex file to simulate the program. When we press Simulate the program, we will see the simulation of the work. Okay, we have started simulation Arduino using the Proteus program.